It's 2020, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm trying to look cute for the holidays. So I'm gonna show you 3 ribbon hairstyles that are super easy to do at home. So for the first hairstyle, I'm gonna show you how to do a headband using a really big ribbon. I'm gonna start from the bottom and then bring the ribbon around my hair. So the trick is to do a double knot in the center so you can make the perfect bow. So now that I have my knot, I'm just gonna tie it in a cute little bow. And a tip that I like to do is secure the sides with bobby pins so the ribbon doesn't move throughout the day. Easy. So for the next hairstyle, I'm gonna take 2 silver thin thread ribbons and we're just going to braid them in and make a little micro braid. I'm gonna start off by taking a piece of my hair and placing the ribbon underneath. And then we're gonna pin the hair down so it'll stay in place. And then I'm gonna section my hair to start a braid. And you wanna make sure that you get 1 silver on each side. And then I'm just gonna put a rubber band on it, take out my hair clips, and then you wanna repeat it on the other side so you can have 2 cute little braids. For the last hairstyle, we're gonna do a low ponytail and wrap the ribbon around it. So first you're gonna start off with a low, sleek, put together ponytail. You're gonna do another ponytail 1 inch below it. So then you're gonna take a ribbon and a bobby pin and pin it right above the ponytail holder. And then you're gonna wrap the ribbon around the ponytail. Bobby pin the end of the ribbon. And there you have it. We have a cute, chic, fun, low ponytail. And that was 3 easy hairstyles using ribbons for the holidays. Let us know in the comments below which style was your favorite.